Hey everyone, that's a quick video of just unboxing. Uh, that's a project that's been going on for the last 3 years, and today finally it arrived here in the US. So let's see this. Unfortunately, I'm not being able to even test it or do anything today because everything is being like crazy around here for me. So for now, that's all, guys. I can't believe after a long time on the storage, I was searching for something else. I saw that box all the way on the end of my storage. I couldn't believe it. I thought I left that in Massachusetts, but it's here. I'm gonna plug it in, see if it's still everything fine. I think so, yeah. And do updates, whatever needs to be done. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Let's see.
Are you out of your mind? You shouldn't have done that.
Bye.
After 6 years on storage, I finally took it out. I got the original SD card, just did update to the new system. I got the SD card for the Raspberry Pi inside also. Just got the new version, the 1.92, that the originally was the 1 GB SD card inside with the .99, and looks like everything is working. Running here just to test the game. It looks like it's working fine. I could get let me just do a reset here, and I could connect to the Wi-Fi. I set up a dumb Wi-Fi here just for test, and yes, I'm connected here. Let's see if I can do it. Not sure if it changed anything or not, but anyway, I didn't pay attention in the beginning. But yes, I'm online, and everything's working so far, and I will see what I will do next with the next. So it has the 1 megabyte, it already has RTC, it has the Wi-Fi module, the Raspberry Pi Zero. The only thing missing on here is the 2 megabytes. I just saw the memories. I may get those online and see what I will do it later.